everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make daiquiris and margaritas using Pampered Chef's Deluxe cooking blender. So let's go ahead and get started. I had a request for this video, so I hope you guys will all enjoy it. Daiquiris and margaritas can be really easy to make if you're using a pre-made mix. Of course, you can get really fancy and make your own from scratch, but I am going to cheat today and I'm going to use a mix that I found at Aldi. You can get your mixes at any grocery store as well as your liquor stores. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you're not familiar with the Deluxe cooking blender, it is a true cooking blender, but since we're not cooking in it today, I will refer you to my playlist on my channel where you can find so many other videos where I show you a variety of different recipes that you can make in the Deluxe cooking blender using our pre-programmed settings. So let's go ahead and make a daiquiri today. So I'm going to do a daiquiri today, but you can make a margarita. The only thing that you'll do different is you'll swap out the white rum for tequila. So super quick, super easy, and very easy to change this up. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing here. We're going to use our Deluxe cooking blender glass container, and I'm going to add 4 ounces of this strawberry, daiquiri, and margarita mix. So 4 ounces of the mix, and this is the brand that I'm using, but you can find all different kinds of brands. Just grab whatever's on the shelf. We're going to add in 1.5 cups of ice, and I do tend to measure out the ice because it's really easy to add too much ice, and if you have too much ice, you're going to water down your drink and it might be a little bit thicker than you want it to be. So let's toss in our ice. We're going to add in 1.5 ounces of Bacardi white rum. You could use tequila in place of this if you choose. So we're going to add that in. If you like, you can also add in some fresh or frozen strawberries. I'm not going to add this step today just because I don't have enough strawberries for this and another recipe. So I'm going to just use the strawberries for a garnish today. So you're going to put the lid on your Deluxe blender, cooking blender glass container, and then we're going to transfer the container over to our blender base. So there are pre-programmed settings on here. You could use the smoothie setting if you like, or you can just use custom, which is what I'm going to do today. So to use custom, that's the default setting. Press the start button, and that selects the custom setting. You're probably not going to be able to see that on here, but it starts off at a speed of 1 and goes up to 9. I'm going to press the start button and gradually increase. So I blended for about 21 seconds there. You could blend longer if you like, but I recommend not over blending because then you're going to, the friction will heat up your mixture and then it will actually cause some of that ice to melt. So you don't want to heat it too much, but you do want to blend it just enough so that all of the ice is well blended. And you can look in and see so that you know that, okay, the ice is already blended well. And so you can look in there and see that we have a nice smooth mixture, and we're going to transfer this over to a fun glass. I always recommend having one that has flip-flops on it. And let me grab a spatula really quickly because I want that, let's see, I want that to go in the glass and not on the countertop. So pour this in. And of course, this is just a single serving. You can double, triple, quadruple, whatever you like until you reach that max fill line on your blender. So 4 ounces of your daiquiri or margarita mix and 1.5 cups of ice and 1.5 cups, excuse me, not 1.5 cups, 1.5 ounces of your liquor. So you're going to use either white rum for a daiquiri or tequila for a margarita. Now I'm going to take this strawberry, I'm going to cut that little end off there. I'm going to cut almost all the way through, put this on the side of my cup. I'm going to add a fun straw and add an umbrella because if it has an umbrella in it, it just tastes better, right? And it makes it a whole lot more fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make daiquiris and margaritas using Pampered Chef's Deluxe cooking blender. I'm going to go enjoy this drink, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. That's all I have for you now, but I'll see you next time. Take care.